Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to use the iTunes gift card. So let's get into the video. So if you have got your iTunes gift card and you want to use it, so what you can do, you can simply add it to your Apple ID. So you just have to redeem it, redeem the balance to your Apple ID, and then you'll be able to use it through your App Store. So just open up your App Store and then go to your account here. So click on your account, and then when you click on your account, you'll see an option called redeem gift card. So simply click that up, and then you'll see this screen here where you can redeem your gift card. So what you have to do, you can either use the camera to take a photo of your gift card or your iTunes card, or you can also click on enter manually. All right, so what you have to do is simply type in your gift card details, your iTunes card details, and then hit on type in the code, and then once you're done, then hit on the redeem. So when you click on redeem, then the balance will be, your gift card balance will be added to your Apple balance, and now you can freely use your, so once you have already transferred the balance, redeem it to your Apple ID, so now you can use for any purchases on iTunes or on App Store, Apple Music, or any in-app purchases, whatever it is, you can simply use it, because your payment will be processed through your Apple balance, which you have redeemed from your iTunes card. So that's pretty much it is. Hope the video is helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.